I'm Jocelyn. I'm the president over here at ARWall, and we are a virtual production company. We're the first ones to do virtual production, if you can believe that. We've been here for about 6-7 years, and did it for the big screens for big projects like Muppets Haunted Mansion, and for big films and TV shows like that. But what we're showing here today at NAB is actually a more approachable and affordable version for all types of filmmakers, not just for huge budgets that have millions of dollars. We're talking about a few $100 and you can actually do the same thing in your living room TV if you'd like. And what we've got today is we're showing off Infinite Studio, Airfx Infinite Studio, which is our new AI generative backdrop generator. And essentially it's a chatbot that you can essentially have a conversation about the type of backdrop that you're looking for, what kind of film you want to make. It can create backdrops for you like this, it can create depth maps as well, so that essentially we're not just creating a backdrop that has a pretty image on it. We're also talking about creating this in a way so that you can do tracking on it, as virtual production does on big sets. You could do it on any size screen with ours. You just pair it with some trackers or some mobile tracking on our app that we have just launched, and essentially with a cell phone, a big screen TV, and a server that can run all of this, you can do that same type of virtual production in your own living room, or an LED wall, projection screen, any type of kind of screen you're looking for. Yeah, we're really excited about this because essentially the Infinite Studio allows you to come up with any backdrops. We do build our own as well that are already pre-made with bookmarks and and pre-lit, so that it's already ready for you if you don't want to create your own. But you can also create your own using the Infinite Studio. That allows you to kind of come up with any kind of backdrop you'd like. And with this we can do tracking. Let me actually get a video from some of our, pull it from the beginning. So this shows us some of our previous works and stuff that we've shown on the big screen, along with things that we've done for small screens and just at all sorts of budgets. Let me think if there's anything more. We've been really excited about getting this into more filmmakers' hands for a fraction of the cost that would normally be. We're also providing all-in-one solutions for educators. There is a bundle here for a 98-inch Sony screen that's quite beautiful. You can bring that into your own living room or your school stage, and basically have a big enough screen to do some of this amazing stuff for you. It comes with all our software and a server that can run it all for you, including some trackers. And then we also have a deal on our Infinite Studio right now, $99 a month or $1,000 a year, or $999 a year. So essentially, you can kind of do a version of this and add, whatever kind of backdrops you can make. I should also mention Infinite Studio also can make music for you. It can create genre sounds and music. It can essentially do previs stuff for you if you like to use it that way, but it's also camera ready. So you can essentially make it so that it's final for the final shot. I think we're continually upgrading this so it has the best kinds of models. And I should also mention, for those who are familiar with Gen AI, this is a system that remembers the conversations that you have, so that you don't have to keep retyping in the same prompt over and over. This is like really having a conversation with someone, saying, I'm looking for this kind of backdrop. Let's say it's in space. I want a spaceship back there. And then when you generate it, it shows something, and then you can say, hey, no, I don't want the spaceship back there. Maybe I want the coloring to be pink back there. And you could do that without saying, hey, can I repeat all of that stuff? You just say, hey, I want maybe a pink backdrop, and then I don't want the ship there. It's easy as that. So I can also kind of show off more of the stuff too. I'm not sure if you want to get any of that. Yeah?